If you've ever needed to make text stand out clearly in AutoCAD, especially over dense drawings, hatch patterns, or busy backgrounds, then this quick tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. Today, I'm going to show you how to enclose text in AutoCAD using a simple background mask. And the best part is that it only takes a few clicks. This is perfect when you want your notes, labels, or callouts to remain readable without manually drawing a box around every single piece of text. Before we get into it, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick AutoCAD tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, it's important to know that this method works for MTEXT only, so if your text is already in multi-line text format, you're good to go. Go ahead and click to select the text you want to enclose. Once it's selected, you can right-click anywhere on the text and choose Properties from the menu. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Ctrl+1 to open the Properties palette. After the Properties panel opens, scroll through the options until you find the section called Background Mask. This is the setting that controls whether AutoCAD places a visual mask behind your text to help it stand out. Turn Background Mask on. As soon as you enable it, AutoCAD will create a masked area behind the text, which makes it look like the text is enclosed and much easier to read. If the box looks too tight or too close to the letters, you can adjust the border offset. This lets you increase or decrease the padding around the text so it looks cleaner and fits your drawing style better. Usually a small offset is enough, but you can fine-tune it depending on the scale and the visual look you want. Once you're happy with the spacing, just close the Properties palette and your change is applied instantly. That's all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you've enclosed the text in AutoCAD without drawing extra lines or shapes manually. This is a great trick for improving clarity in construction drawings, floor plans, annotation layouts, and any project where legibility matters. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next AutoCAD tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.